Jonna of Jonna Spilbor Law, and welcome to my humble office. You know, for years I have a slogan around here, and that is, the right law firm is right here. And people often ask me, how did you come up with that? And I'm proud to say that it wasn't just a catchy phrase that I slapped on the front of the building. It actually is a culmination of years being in the legal field and finally figuring out what it is that clients truly need and want most. So I've actually come up with 4 points that I think are very important to every client, but that you won't find in every law firm. So in order of importance, they are, around here at Jonna Spilbor Law, one of the things we pride ourselves on is that we say it straight. You're not going to get some legal mumbo jumbo. You're not going to get a bunch of puffery. There's no pontificating. No matter whether your legal situation is very complex or very simple, we're going to simplify it for you and tell it to you straight. We find that clients really appreciate that. The second thing that we do at Jonna Spilbor Law is we're here when you need us. That was one of the first things I learned as a new lawyer, is that the law doesn't stop at 5 o'clock. Your phone is going to ring after 5 because that's sometimes when a client's going to need you. They're either getting arrested, or they've hurt themselves, or they've been served with a summons, and they want an answer now. They can't wait 24 hours or 48 hours. So I made it my mission here to make sure that when you call the office, you get a live person 24/7. I've taken my fair share of phone calls at 3 o'clock in the morning, so you might just get me. The third thing at Jonna Spilbor Law that we really pride ourselves on is the ability to think creatively. I've often said that cases are like snowflakes. No two are alike. And that holds true regardless of your legal situation. You could be going through a divorce that has, say, child custody issues, and your neighbor could be going through a divorce with child custody issues, but your issues are not going to be identical, ever. I promise you that, which means your resolution or your outcome will also likely not be identical, and you don't expect it to be. What you can expect is a lawyer that's going to be able to take your specific situation and come up with the best possible resolution for you. And that only happens when your lawyer thinks creatively and doesn't cookie cut the situation. And that's one thing that we're very proud of here at Jonna Spilbor Law. And lastly, what I think is very important to clients is to save them money. Typically, when a client needs a lawyer, it's not something that's expected. You've either gotten arrested, or you're served with a divorce summons, or you've had an accident. Something has happened that you weren't expecting. And oftentimes that something is going to cost money if you need to hire a lawyer. So what we do at Jonna Spilbor Law is we treat your money like it's our money. No wasting of it. If we can get you from point A to point B in a shorter time, you're going to save money. And that's our mission here. We don't need to elongate any process just so that you or the other side has to pay additional attorney's fees. We like to streamline it for you. So for those 4 reasons, I am proud to say that at Jonna Spilbor Law, the right law firm is right here. And if you need us, you can always give us a call at 485-2529. That's 485-2-LAW. Visit our website at jonnaspilborlaw.com, or send me a message on Facebook. Thanks for visiting.